My daily exercises, ayan, to bigger my legs, guys, my hips, and my butt. And it can also, ayan, to flat my belly. Ayan, I do this every day, guys. Ayan, for 100 counts, guys, daily, 100 counts. Ayan, oh. Look, guys, my legs is bigger now. I really love it. Ayan, I finished. It's a 100 counts, guys. So, the next, guys, is yung ating shoulder. Ayan. Para mag-flat yung ating ano sa likod, guys. Mag-shape siya, tsaka mag-thin yung ating shoulder. Ayan. Ganitong exercise lang every day. I really love it. Ayan. My daily routine, my daily exercises, guys. Ayan, oh. I really love it. Ayan, and then like this, guys, to bigger my ano, guys, my yung ating ano, guys, para lumaki siya. Ayan, oh, yung ating hinaharap. Ayan, o, di ba? Ang ganda. Ayan po. That's up to you, guys, kung ilang counts ang kaya ninyo. Ayan, kung ilan lang po ang kaya nyo, guys. Ayan, yun po ang gawin ninyo. Ayan, so, ayan po. And then, like this, guys. Ayan. OMG. Ayan. Pampaliit ng tummy. Ayan, and also, pampalaki ng ating legs. So that's it for today, guys. I'm finished doing my exercises and my daily routine. Ayan siya, guys. So, ayan, that's it for today.